This video demonstrates how to switch from the factory default settings to the screening mode on a FLIR T540 thermal imaging camera. First, tap the screen to bring up the menu and select Measurement Parameters. Set your emissivity to 0.98. Next, set the distance from your camera to your target. Click the gear icon to take you to Settings. Tap Device Settings. Then select Lamp and Laser. Select Disable All to deactivate the lamp and laser. Next, scroll to User Interface Options and tap to enter the menu. Now select Screening Mode. Enable the screening mode by tapping On. Click the back button to exit settings. Now, we need to set the imaging mode to screening. Tap on the screen to bring up the menu and click on the camera icon on the far left. Select the screening mode icon on the far right. Here's where you can set your alarm threshold. We're in degrees Fahrenheit, so we'll set the threshold to 2 degrees. You can also choose to turn the audible alarm on or off. Exit the menu. We'll set our baseline using a person whose body temperature is within normal range and placing the area of interest over our subject. Press the P button to set the baseline. The camera has now been set to alert us when it detects a temperature over 2 degrees higher than the baseline. A long press of the P button resets the baseline temperature. A short press of the P button averages in a new sample. It's recommended to average at least 3 samples from healthy individuals. The camera can store up to the last 10 samples.